Right, so guys, don't know what happened earlier, but yeah, we're at HMP Shotts, guys. Shotts in Scotland. It's obviously not that far from like places like Whitburn and Motherwell and stuff like that. As you can see up there, the SPS flag, Scottish Prison Service, and the Scotland flag. If you look around about the area here, guys, obviously it's quite in a weird sort of area, guys, this prison. So on Wikipedia, obviously I've looked up on Wikipedia and also the Scottish Prison Service website. So on Wikipedia it says it's got a capacity of 550 inmates. It opened in 1978. It's managed by the Scottish Prison Service, as you can see with the flag there, and the governor is a Gillian Walker. When expected by HM Inspectorate of Prisons, sorry with the wind guys, in February 2007, Shotts held a total of 512 prisoners during an inspection in February 2007. The units held the following number of prisoners. In B Hall it had 114 prisoners. In C Hall it had 116 prisoners. In D Hall it had 112 prisoners. And in the segregation unit it had 8 prisoners. November 15th 2007, the Daily Record obviously said there are 200 murderers in Shotts Prison, Scotland's maximum security prison. The Channel 4 latest reality TV show was obviously filmed here. I don't know obviously what that was called, guys, but obviously a TV show was here in 2017, so I don't know what that's regarding. So on obviously the SPS website, when you go on the SPS and type up like what prisons are in Scotland, SPS says HMP Shotts was built in 2012, so don't know how it says it opened in 1978, but on the SPS site it says 2012, and 158, the only prison in Scotland that solely accommodates long-term adult, is the only prison in Scotland that solely accommodates long-term adult male prisoners. It has a capacity of 530, well, that's what it says on the SPS site, as you can obviously see here, guys. Obviously that's what I obviously write down when I'm here, but yeah, obviously that is obviously as what it says on the SPS site, but as you can see there, main entrance, CCTV and operations, no smoking and no mobile phones. Let's see what, also the sign up here, guys, you can obviously see here, drug and stuff, alcohol, recording devices. Well, obviously I'm recording out here, so yeah, you can see with the sign there. Let's have a wee look at the tree, let's have a wee obviously look round, as you can see here. Don't know if that was obviously built obviously for the prison. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know if you can see any of the wings at all here, but obviously have a wee nosy down. But yeah, so obviously there's not much obviously info obviously behind obviously the prison on the, obviously Wikipedia and stuff, because obviously I was always right down the history, guys, as you can obviously see here. But honestly, when I was obviously on Wikipedia and stuff, guys, you know, could obviously just really says it's for long-term prisoners, and honestly I feel when that is obviously not good. Obviously, obviously I was trying to look up the Tories inmates that have been here, but obviously it doesn't say nothing about that. So, so obviously I think it will be obviously a kind of short video today. But yeah, I'm obviously just glad that I've came out and done this. It was absolutely murder. You know, from Glasgow. Obviously I had to get the bus from Buchanan bus station, then get off at is it Camper bus place to get another bus, then I had to get 3 buses to actually come here, so it's absolutely murder to try and find guys. So yeah, obviously first time ever doing Shotts prison, you know, obviously glad obviously that I'm here, obviously doing the audit for you guys. So hopefully tomorrow, well should be tomorrow, if I can get up early enough. Obviously going to have a few drinks tonight and then get up early in the morning to do Inverness prison tomorrow, guys. So that should be hopefully good there. But you know, HMP Shotts, obviously sorry about the information, like well, obviously that's all I could manage to get. Like it was quite disappointing, to be honest, but obviously this prison probably doesn't really have much really history behind it, because obviously it's the only prison in Scotland that is obviously serving long-term prisoners. So it's astonishing how that is the case. Like this is the only prison in obviously Scotland that it's obviously doing that. But yeah, so I do obviously thank you guys, obviously when you watch this, and honestly we'll be doing another video tomorrow. Hopefully that's if I get up early enough. You know, we need to set up an alarm probably about 7 in the morning or even earlier to try and get up to get to Inverness. So obviously I do appreciate you guys obviously watching our videos. Obviously let us know, and yeah, Inverness tomorrow, obviously can't wait for that one. I don't know if it's actually still called HMP Inverness or if it's HMP Grampian. So yeah, obviously I don't know if that is the case, if it's called HMP Inverness or Grampian, so I'll be obviously up there tomorrow, guys. But yeah, just obviously glad obviously came here. Do apologise there with the prison officer walking out, to put the camera down. But yeah, you know, obviously first time ever, you know, here, you know, the staff, you know, seem, you know, good enough, also with us, you know, being out here, which is good. And yeah, big respect on well, probably the staff here as well, you know. You know, obviously I don't know if there'll be people will be watching our videos and knowing I'm obviously going round about prisons. So yeah, obviously that's a thing. So obviously I know obviously the last prison obviously I done oh, try and forget the name of it. Oh, what was it again? Pullman. Obviously the staff in there were really good, and obviously yeah, obviously the staff there were like, oh, what's your YouTube channel, and we'll be watching your videos. So, and they're like, you should charge people. So yeah, obviously that's good that the prison officers from Pullman is watching our videos now. So yeah, you know, from Shotts prison, guys, thank you obviously for watching, and yeah, obviously I'll be obviously stopping the video when I'm up at the sign here, guys. Obviously sorry about how there's not much history obviously behind the prison, but yeah, to apologise about that, guys. But yeah, well, if you can see any part of the prison from here or at all, or obviously you can see obviously the cameras and that there, guys, and obviously HMP shots. Nope, can't really see nothing. I'll try to zoom in for you, but nah, can't see nothing there. So yeah, guys, from HMP shots, I do thank you obviously for watching the video, guys, and hopefully everyone has enjoyed it. Obviously not much obviously to talk about, but also I do apologise, but also I'll be writing up the history behind HMP Inverness, or is it HMP Grampian it's called, tomorrow, or we'll obviously be doing that tonight. So obviously I'll be writing down the history there. So I do thank you guys obviously for watching, and I'll leave yous, and hopefully you have a good day. And from HMP Shots, thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now. Bye.